Informed, sir.
Okay, dear students, yesterday, we are discussing about the characteristics. Okay, characteristics of the embedded systems. In that, we are discussed about the application and domain specification, reactive and real time, and then operation in harsh environment, distributed system, and small size and weight, and also very one of the very important parameter characteristics, there is a power concerns. Okay, means utilizations, how the power will be utilized in the particular embedded systems. Okay, suppose there is more where heat will be dissipated, means it consumes more power, means we need heat also will be goes on increases in the particular devices. That's why we can add some more devices to cool the system. Okay, additionally you can add the heat sinks, okay, or cooling fan. Automatically what happen, the size of the embedded system also goes on increases, cost also will be goes on increases. That's why initially should analyze the what amount of power will be consumed in the particular systems. Okay, based on only you can design the embedded systems. Okay, there's a very important, there's a power concerns. Okay, mostly listen here, the most of the embedded system is not working because of the power. Okay, and also next today we'll start the new topic. There's a attribution, quality characteristics. Okay, there's a quality attribute is nothing but a quality characteristics of embedded systems. Okay, and these are the attributes that together from the deciding factor about the quality of the embedded. Okay, after the establishing the new embedded system, means we should do that what is the quality of that particular embedded system. Quality wise you should consider, you should analyze the systems. Okay, and there are two types of the quality attributes are there. Okay, that is the one is the operation quality attributes and then non-quality attributes. Okay, we have two types. Operational, based on the operation you can analyzing that the overall quality of the systems. Okay, otherwise another method is that there is the non-operational quality attributes. Okay, we are classified into two. One is the operation quality attributes. Okay, these are the attributes related to the operation. Okay, it is related to the operation or functioning of the embedded system. Okay, and the way an embedded system operates affects the overall quality. And second one is the non-operation quality attributes. Okay, it is not related to the operation or functioning of the embedded system. Okay, so the second attributes, the quality attributes is the non-operational. Non-operational is nothing but it is not related to the operation or functioning of an embedded system. Okay, then the way of embedded system operates affects the overall quality. Actually, in these attributes that are associated with the embedded system before it can be put in operations. Okay, before executing the particular, before deploying the particular systems, we should initially should check the what is the quality of the particular embedded system. Okay, please hold on a minute. Please hold on a minute. Sorry for the delay. See here, it is audible now. Dear student, it is audible. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Why only 3 students are there? What about others? Total 14 will be there. Out of 14, only 3 will be there. What about others? What happened? ಏನಾಯ್ತ್ರಪ್ಪ? 3? 3 weight. 2 power of 3. 3 weight. 2 power of 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 3. 2 to the 4, yes. 2 to the power of 4. 16. 16. This will become 0 to 15. 0 to 8. 8. Okay. Hello. What about others? Subramanya, what about others?
Sir.
Why they are not attending the classes? Any issues? Huh? Okay, we'll give only 3. Only 3 students are present. Only put okay. What is your US number, Subramanya Reddy?
16 EC 034, sir.
034.
Yes, sir.
And then who's next one? Sonika? Sonika, what's your US number? Deepshi?
Sir, 1V17 AC 045.
Okay. Only 3 are there. What about other? You tell them to tell your friends. Okay, if you do like this, definitely they will detain because I'm not giving any this one attendance. Okay. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿಯಪ್ಪ ಡಿಟೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Okay. You tell to that girl also, Shreya also, she is not attending from past 1.5 week also. You tell to her, she will pakka detain. Okay. Tell to, and then Abhishek also you tell. Okay, everyone to tell. ಅರ್ಥಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಈ ಪಕ್ಕ 100% ಡಿಟೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎನಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಏನೋ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಗಂಟೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. Okay, just you will inform to your friends. Next onwards, at least next class onwards, everyone should be present. Okay, there is a 2 operational attributes. There's a quality attributes. One is the operational quality attributes and then non-operational quality attributes. In the operation quality attributes, it will depend upon it is very closely related to the operation and functioning of the embedded system. Non-operation quality attributes is not depend upon okay, and it is not related to the operational functioning of the embedded system. Before installing that particular embedded system, once you should check in the conditions, quality of that particular embedded system. Okay, and then next is coming to the operation attributes. Okay, again we have nearly 6 quality attributes will be there. Okay, and that first one is the response, throughput, and reliability, maintainability. Okay, and then security and also safety. Okay, this also we discussed in the previous class. Now this is over now. It is also over, I think. Agidellappa idu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Security, safety is over. Okay. And next is coming to the next one is very important operation quality attributes. That is your non-operation quality attributes. Okay. Before going to that, numerical examples also be there. Later we discuss. Okay. Next one is the non-operation quality attributes. Okay, in the non-operation quality attributes is nothing but what? It is not. Okay, this quality, this attribute is not related to the operation or functioning of the embedded system. Presentation visible, dear students? The presentation is visible?
Yes, sir.
Visible? Okay. Next one is the, okay, now it is visible. Non-operation quality attributes. Okay, the first one is the testing and debugging abilities. And the second one is the evaluability and probabilities and time to prototype and market and per unit and total cost. Okay, these are the non-operational attributes. Okay, in the non-operational attributes, the first one is the testing and debugging ability. Testing means what? See, for each and every equipments, we are ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಬಿಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, test that particular device should be tested with a different condition or criteria. Okay, in this also, if you want to create any embedded system, okay, initially you should test and debugging, test the circuits and debugging the programs. Okay, actually it is deals with the how easily can be test, design the embedded system design and applications, and by which means can test it. Okay, in hardware testing is a peripheral and total hardware functioning is in designer manner. Okay, see, based on the designer will be design the particular circuits. Okay, that circuit should be tested with a proper testing criteria. So you can there follow some proper testing criteria. If you get the valid result, then only go for the next process. Okay, that's why what you do means before designing anything, before prototyping the particular embedded system, initially we do the simulation. Okay, in the simulation, if you get the exact value based on your specification value, means based on your output. Okay, you should assume some input, then we'll get the some output alwa. Andre ನೀವು ಏನಾರ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಏನಾರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ designed and properly simulate the particular circuits. If you getting the proper result value, then you will go for the simulation, then you go for the prototype. Okay, that's why we have enough softwares are there to test the particular circuits. Okay, if you go for simulation, MATLABs, okay, there is some testing will be done. Suppose if you one more example I given you people, you for car manufacturing. Okay, the strengthening of the car will be tested by some of the tools. Okay, ANSYS, Hypermesh will be there. Okay, these are the powerful tools are used to testing the strengthening of that particular material. So similarly, coming to the power energy sector, before distributing the energy, initially we should check the what is the exact voltage losses will be there for the particular load. Okay, based on that, what are the things you should be how to minimizing the particular losses, which are the things, which are the devices are used to overcome these losses. Okay, that should analyze by using the simulation process and simulation tools. Again, for coming to this kind of embedded system, we are using embedded software also will be there to test the particular programs. Okay, and also there's some of the powerful tools are there. Okay, MATLAB that can use for the testing the thing, simulate the particular result. If you get the proper simulation result, then you'll go for the prototype. Okay, there's a testing and testability and debugging. See, this is not a operational. It is not a operational or functioning of the embedded system. Okay, initially we should check the quality of this condition, quality condition of your embedded system as well as the programs. Okay. And then debugging means they will check the what is the conditions of the particular product. Okay, there's a debug ability. It means of debugging the product as such of figuring out the probable source that create an unexpected behavior in the total systems. And then next is the availability. Okay, there's a is the embedded system. The quality of attributes of availability refers to easy with which the embedded product can be modified to take the advantage of few softwares and hardware technologies. And next one is the probabilities. Okay, the probability is a measure of system independency. Okay, how much it is independency? Because that each and every system, the embedded system should work with independent. Okay, some will be distributed. We will combine some of the embedded system, it will work with specific task. Okay, maximum will be it is a independence. How much of independence will be there? Okay, it is working. Okay, without any support, they are working. They will check the working condition of the particular embedded system. And an embedded product can be called as a portable. Okay, it is capable of performing its operation as it is intended to do in various environment respectively of different processor, controller, and embedded system operating system. Okay, it is a portable means it can easily carry somewhere, and that system will be installed in the various environment condition with respect of the different processor or controllers. Okay, that's why initially we should check the what is the exact quality probability of the particular system. And then next one is the next non-operational quality attribute. There's a timer, prototype, and market. Okay, time to prototype and market. Okay, time to market, it is the time lapse between the conceptual of the product and time at which the product is ready for the selling or use. And then product prototype helps in reducing the time to market. And prototyping is an informal kind of rapid product development in which the important feature of the under consideration are developed. Okay, suppose if you start to designing any one prototype means there's some timing diagram should be there. Okay, there's a time slab should be there. Within that particular time, you should complete the prototype. Okay, there's a time. Okay, suppose you take one example. If you are making any one simple prototype, for doing that prototype, it require only 1 or 2 months. So suppose if you are taking more than 1 year, means what happen? It take lot of means they will take a lot of time, and also it consumes more cost. Okay, and delay the product. Okay, if you delay the product means the same product will be andre ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, there's a disadvantages will be there. More disadvantages will be there. It consumes times also. It consumes money also. Okay, and it is not updated. And the particular during the release that particular product is not up to date that because of the advanced technology the product bandirutte ಆ time hangagi it's time to prototype. Time slots will be very important for the any projects. And also market. Okay, market is one of the important things. If what you are design that should be used by the customers. Okay, customer use ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, that should be advanced. Okay, in the particular time only what are the facility I have given that particular devices based on that specification only the customer can buy that particular product. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಟೈಮ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಟೋಟೈಪ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರೊಟೋಟೈಪ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, that's the one thing you should note on that. There's a one way how to check the quality attributes. There's a time to prototype and market. So okay, in order to shorten the time of to prototype, make use of all possible options like use of reuse of the self components. And then the next one is very important, non-quality attributes. There's a non-operational quality attribute. There is a per unit and total cost. Okay, cost is an important factor which is need to be carefully monitored. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ is very important. Okay, because customers, okay, what first initially if you buy anything means what you doing, Okay, just to check the cost and comparing after first to check the cost. After that only go for the comparing with the other devices. Okay. Clear about this one. Suppose if you take an example, Samsung or MI. Okay, MI. There is a lot of differences will be there, but application will get same only, but the quality is not there. Okay, but cost will be reduced. That's what you do. The most of the user can go for by the MI because of the same specification also given in this MI. The cost of decreases. Okay, there's a difference between that. But quality will be varied. Okay, its quality will be varied, but many customers the first checking the cost. Okay, what is the cost for the particular devices? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ಮಿ ಅದು MI ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲಕ್ಸಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ after the specifications. Okay, they have given same specification, there also they given specification. What is the difference between, because the based on the brand and also based on the some quality, some adding some of the quality improvement in the particular Samsung device, that's why their cost will be goes on increases. Okay, here also a little bit quality will be less will be there, and also cost will be less, and the same specification also will be there in the particular MI. That's why the most of the customer can go by the MI phones. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? That's why if you have entrepreneurship padra, you should consider what is the exact cost for your product. Okay, that's why the cost is very important factor which needs to be carefully monitored. Okay, monitor and see ಇವತ್ತೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೂ ಅದೇ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ devices. Okay, then proper market studies and cost benefit analysis should be carried out before taking discussion on per unit cost of the embedded product. Okay, first what you do means you should analyze the what is the market. Okay, study the market and you should check it. Then cost benefit analysis also you should do it. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರುವಂಗೆ ನೀವೊಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಲಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ತರ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇರೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ, ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್. Okay, that's why initially I told you people the per unit and total cost is very important in the devices. Okay, you should analyze the what is the present marketing status, and also you should analyze the cost benefit analysis before taking any decision on the per unit cost of the embedded product. Okay, when the product is introduced in the market for the initial period, the sales and revenue will be low. Okay, initially because what happened, there is no, because the user will be very less will be there. Okay, initially it will be take so much time because the revenue will be very low because the publicity is not there to the particular product initially. Okay, some of the customers should buy and the customer should be satisfactory, then give the proper this one review, then only the next users can buy that particular product. Okay, that's why the user reviewer is very important for the product. Okay, that's why initially they will take a lot of time to sell that product, and also during that particular time the revenue also will be low. Revenue is nothing but profit will be low during the initial stage. Once we'll get your product will be clicked. Okay, nim product ಏನಾದ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯ್ತು, ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, then automatically what happens, the sales also goes on increases, and similarly revenue also will be goes on increases. Okay, that's why initially it takes some time to build that particular product, and there want to be much competition, then the when the product sales and revenue will be increases. Okay, it means that suppose there is no any competition in your particular product, automatically sales also will be increases and revenue will be increases. Okay, if you want to be much, there means much competition illa andre, so there want to be much competition, then your product will be sales and revenue also be going increases. Okay, during the maturing phase, the growth will be steady and revenue reaches the highest point. and at the retirement time there will be a drop in the sales and value. It means that during initially it will take some time to increasing the sales. Okay, one is increasing sale, at the ending, okay, automatically the new future product will be coming to the market. Automatically whatever your previous version of your market will be goes down. Okay, that's why it will be steadily grow and reaches to highest point, and at the retirement time there will be a drops in the sale volume. Take an example. Initially they have some specification of phone. Okay, then after that then you have to upgrade at the particular phone. Suppose you Apple 5 is there, after that Apple 6 will be there. Once the Apple 6 will become, means Apple 5 sales will be goes down. Similarly 7 came, 8 came, now is the 11 is there, 11 Pro will be there. Okay, then the previous version will be, the sales will be goes down. Okay, that's why it will be initially it will be this, and reaches the peak value, and during the retirement time there will be a drop in the sale value. Okay, and then we can see this is the see, we can see observe this is the block diagram. This is the product life cycles of the product LC, the PLC curve. Okay, see, there's a revenue is the benefits, is our time. Okay, there's a product element, there's no revenue. Revenue will be zero because you are starting the designing the particular product. After that, what happen, based on your cost based analysis, you can check, you can set the price cost. Okay, then it is when the your product goes to start the sale, means it will be the revenue will be goes on increases. You can see observe, the revenue will be goes on increases, it reaches to maximum. Again, one is the product will be retirement. So retirement is nothing but it is the older version. Again the sales will be goes down, there is no revenue. Okay, this is a curve, the product life cycle curve. Artha agtidya? Revenue nothing but it's a profit with versus time. Okay, initially there is a product development, there is no revenue because we are investing some amount for the particular product. After that, product introductions, again very less revenue will be there generating. Okay, because initial stage your revenue will be low. Okay, after that growth will be started steadily increases to maximum, and when that your product will be retirement, then again will be the will be goes on decreases. Okay, this example is the version of your mobiles. Okay, when iPhone 7, when iPhone will be 10 will come, means 8, 7, 5, 6, this version of iPhone sales will be goes down. Okay, clear about this one? Any doubt? For everywhere it is the cycle will be there. For competition, now it is a computational world. Okay, ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಅದೇ ತರ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, that's why everything. So suppose if you have an idea, any idea is there, means you should patent properly. Okay, you should protect your things, copyright, by using some IPR, Indian IPR or American, US, any IPR you can apply, protect your ideas. Okay, that's called the patent. The next one is the, okay, these are some of the non-operational quality attributes. Okay, clear about this one? Any doubt regarding this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Once again I repeat the things. Okay, in the non-operational quality attributes, it is not related to the your functioning or operational. Okay, it is a non-operational. Okay, that first one is the testing. If you take any one example, if you want to design anything, means initially you should do the testing and debugging the your system. Okay, when you are satisfied, when you get the satisfied with that, then go for the next stage. And then any evolution abilities. Okay, anything, any new we should give the some spaces for enhancing the functions. Okay, there's the evolution ability that should be there, means adding some of the features, hardware or software feature, you can do particular devices that facilities you should give on. Okay, there is a one way to analyzing the quality attributes, and then portabilities. Okay, it means without any support, the system should be work. Okay, suppose we are not in any embedded system, we are deploying in the different position, different areas. Okay, that should be independently, it will be work. Okay, and then and also one more thing, there's a various environment irrespective of the different controller or different processor are used for the operating the embedded system. And next one is the time to prototype and market. Okay, within a time slot, within the duration, you should completing the prototype and release the product to the market. Okay, if suppose if goes on increasing the time, means what happen, cost means there's what is that ಏನಂತೆ developing cost will be goes on increases. Okay, ನೀವು again extend ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ತರ ಇರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that's why within that particular time you should complete your project and release that product should be released in the market. And next one is the per cost and total cost. Okay, the cost is very important. Okay, and shown the curve also in the previous slide. Okay, initially there is a lot of cost will be there. There is a product cost in that during that time what happen, revenue will be a minimum, revenue will be a zero only. Okay, that's why before launching the any product, first you should analyzing the proper market analysis, and also cost benefit analysis should be carried out before taking the decision on the per unit cost of the embedded systems. Okay, see initially what happen, the cost will be sales will be less, automatically revenue will be decreases. You can see in the diagram initially. Okay, and after that it will be steadily increases and reaches to maximum. When the product will be retirement, it goes this one, what is that, your product will be revenue will be goes to down. Okay, one more example if you want to take means cars. Okay, see ಕಾರ್ಗಳು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, see ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಯು ಟೇಕನ್ ಇನೋವಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನೋವಾದಲ್ಲಿ GB ಅಂತ ಏನೇನೋ ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಇನೋವಾ ಕ್ರೈಟಾ ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಇದು ಇನೋವಾ ಕ್ರೈಟಾ ಕೇಮ್ ನ ದಿಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಇನೋವಾ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ sales will be gradually decreases. Okay, we can't get any revenue from that particular product because everyone go for the updated one only. So all the customers should go to the updated product only. That's why there is one retirement age will be there for each and every product. During that particular time, won't get any benefit for the particular from that particular product. Okay, clear? Okay, then the next one is the embedded system application and domain specification. Okay, see these are some of the application I have given. I've taken application specific system is a washing machine. Okay, there's an example for that embedded system machine. This is a washing machine is the application specific embedded system. Let us see the important part of the washing machine. Okay, what are the important components or part of the washing machine? Okay, using that one only we can easily understood about the working of the washing machine. An important point of part washing machine alli. See, every home having every home there is one washing machine will be there alva. Ellar maneli one washing machine ide, one TV ide. AC it will be optional. Okay, fridge will be fridge ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದೇ ತರ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ಏನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ, ಏನೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ದಿಲೀಪ್, ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ, ಸೋನಿಕಾ, ದೀಪ್ಶಿ, ಏನೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Sir, RAM.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಪ್ಪ?
Sir, display.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
PCB board,
PC boards ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ ಕಣ್ಗೆ?
timers,
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ಲೆಟ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟಬ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? ಇನ್ನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ರೊಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟಬ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೋಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮೋಟರ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಟಬ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೈಮರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, PCB ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಪೈಪು. ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಟಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಟಬ್ ಕೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಕೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪುಷ್ ಬಟನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೋರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಲೆಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟಬ್ ನ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ವಾಟರ್ಗೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಔಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪಂಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? These are some of the important components are there in the embedded systems. Okay, see adralle the first one. Okay, we have some we are explaining some of the important components in the washing machine. Okay, this washing machine is one of the important typical standard example for embedded system, providing extensive support in the home automation applications. An embedded system contains a sensor, actuator, control unit, and application-specific user interface like keyboards and display units, etc. All the components can be seen in the washing machine. Alva? Displays ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಸ್ವಿಚಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾಪ್ಪ? ನೀವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಮೋಡ್ ನ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ವಾಶ್, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್, ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ this what is it, cloth, can select the controlling knobs ಅಲ್ವಾ? See, you can see the figure also, and that these are the keypads, temperature. Okay, we can increasing and decreasing the temperature of the water also, water outlet, water inlet. Okay, inner tub, outer tub, body case. Okay, and integrated. Okay, this IC will be there in the inside the board, and then door also will be there, and some level sensor, water level sensor also will be there. So these are some of the important components are used to in the washing machine. Okay, in that first important component is the water level control, water inlet control valve. Okay, water illa andre hinge wash ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? The first important component is the water level, means water inlet control value. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಲೆಟ್ ಪೈಪ್ ನ, ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಇನ್ಲೆಟ್ ಪೈಪ್ ನ ನೀವು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನಲ್ಲಿನ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ವ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ವ್. Okay, near the water inlet point of the washing machine, there is a water inlet control valve. When you load the cloth in the washing machine, okay, these valves get opened automatically, and it close automatically depending on the total quantity of water required. Okay, this water control value is actually is a solenoid. Actually, it is a solenoid values. Alva, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ತಾಳುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಟೋಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಟರ್ ಇಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ತಾಳೋದು, ಓಕೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ನೀವು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಇನ್ಲೆಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ only it will be, that value will be the inside the turbine, inside the tub, inside the washing machine. There is a control switch will be there to open and close the particular water valve. Okay, that's why near the water inlet point, near the water inlet points of the washing, there is a water inlet control valves. When you load the glass in the washing machine, the valves get to be opened automatically, and it is closed automatically based on the quantity of the water are required in the particular program. Okay, actually how it is working, it is on solenoid, means actuators. through the solenoid only it will turn on, turn off the or close or open the particular valve. Okay. Okay, dear students. Okay, again, same thing we are discussing about again. We go to again we have water pump will be there. Okay, that thing will be discussed in the next class. Okay, today we'll stop here. We'll continue in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. See, this model is very easy. Okay, easier to understand. Okay, what are these are the very general topic we are discussed today. Okay, you can easily write the one way also washing machine. Component expressions. It's also one of the embedded product. Okay, dear student, today we'll stop here. Continue.